Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 10th of July. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the FTSE-100. It's having a good run today, and on the 4-hour chart it looks like that may continue. On the weekly we are finding support from the 20-week moving average. If that holds, then it could give the push up that's needed. The daily actually looks a bit mixed. We've lost a bit of momentum, but as I said, there's every chance if this momentum continues from today, that will help to build that momentum on the daily picture with the RSI. If it continues to rise tomorrow, it will go above 50. It will make more sense when we look at the charts. So here we have the daily, and really it is a bit of a mixed picture. We did find support from the 20-day, that then collapsed. We then found support at the 50-day, so we're down, and then that's collapsed on the down move on the 29th of June, and we're now down below those moving averages. The 20 has just crossed the 50, however the 50 was moving up, so it wasn't a bearish cross. And the 200 still confirming that the longer term trend remains upwards as it moves higher. It's just below the 7200 level. On the RSI, you can see that we've had a continual sign of a lack of upside momentum. We've gone back below 50 and we're presently trading at 45.1. And the MACD confirms this downside momentum with the short below the longer, and they're both below zero. If today's obviously a good day, we're up to the resistance from the highs of last week. If we get some follow through buying, that will probably take us up to the 20-day 74.11, which will give the first resistance. That will probably push the RSI back above 50 and will break its downtrend, and we could see then a push up on higher upside momentum. On this weekly chart, you can see that the dominant factor remains the 20-week moving average. We're presently below it, although at one point today we were actually above it, and it's given supports on the consolidations in October and then in April. So there's no concerns that we are below it. It's still positive as it moves up, and if we get back above it, then that could give the impetus for a push towards the highs of 7600. On the 4-hour, you can see that perhaps we've broken the downtrend that's been in place. We're back above the moving averages, the 20 and the 50, and also the RSI is ticked back above 50, presently at 54. We're dipping down over this just this morning, the last few hours. Maybe we'll come back to the support of the moving average and then get a consolidation, maybe a build up from there. On here it's quite clear to see that we're getting higher volumes on the move ups, which is good. MACD is also positive. Looking at the support resistances, first resistance at the 20-day, that's 74.11.38. Then at the 200 4-hour, which is moving down, 74.61.9, with support imminently at the 24-hour, 73.52.85, and then at 71.91, which is the 200-day moving average. Thanks for watching this video from TA for Traders. Just to clarify, bit of a mixed picture in the FTSE. I've still got one foot in the bullish camp as the medium-term uptrend remains in place. The weekly's holding that 20-week moving average support, but only just. Momentum's been picking up today, which is good. If it can continue tomorrow on the daily, that'll take the RSI back above 50. And the short term, as I said, looks like a move up shortly. So that's been TA for traders. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.